Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today I have for sale a Honda C50. It's a circle headlamp, fairly standard with 17-inch alloys. It's single seat with a rear rack, which is great to have. Much preferred over the horrible dual seat that you can get on the Irish ones. Not a big fan, but the Japanese ones come with these nice two-tone seats in the rear rack, which I find much better. You do have a front rack as well. Front tyre is good, front mudguard is good, little mark here. It's in this metallic purple, which is a very rare colour. It's an aftermarket, or an additional spec from factory if you wanted it. Alloys are very good. The shielding itself for the leg shields aren't yellowing or anything and look very nice. Little mark here on the engine. Exhaust is in very nice condition. Side panels are perfect. Supercub 50, two-tone seat is in really nice condition. Underneath the seat is then also very good. Around the front where the odometer is really nice. You see rusting here a lot, but not so much on this one. Only 12,000 kilometers here. Rear rack is very nice, and same with the matching plastic. Shocks there on the colour wise, 2002 bike. See, Japanese made one, much better. Some little signs of rusting there, but nothing major on the rear rack. Chain guards are actually pretty nice. Same with the side panel here, no cracks or anything like that. And then the Honda has little signs of rubbing from the feet. Ignition, single key, original Honda. And focus in there. But that's really it for the visual analysis. For now, move on to the ride along part. Alright, we're on the Honda C50 with kind of the purpley bluish tint. It's a different day from the visual analysis. I didn't get time, the battery ran out in this camera, so I wasn't able to get the video done, but we're here today. We'll start her up here. She's cold as the day is. Oopsies. There we are. I'm using kind of a cloth over the mic because I have noticed in the videos that I've been doing I sound a bit harsh or something. It's hard to hear me, hard to understand what I'm saying, so hopefully this will help. But we're going to do the short route today because it's a Wednesday. Schools are off at earlier times than usual, and the traffic is just way too bad out there. It's going to take me 15-20 minutes per bike, and I've 6 bikes to get through now, so I don't have that much time, but you'll get the gist from this little ride along anyway on what to expect from her. Speed wise especially, you know, these 50s don't need too much room to get up to speed. In 3rd gear now, and you can see that we're keeping up with the car ahead, which is important. Okay, you're turning in, and we're going up a hill now, which is also good. It's good. The route here is actually not too bad, uphill and downhill, so you get kind of both speeds of what you can expect from these little 50s. We're getting well up to 45-50 kilometers an hour if I had a bit more time there. Uphill, and then also turning capabilities, very easy, as you can see. And we're going downhill now. We'll see what kind of speed we can get out of her. I'm looking for another gear that isn't there. Okay, we're doing 60. So very good. All very nice, and we'll be able to test the brakes here as well as this car comes on the wrong side of the road. But all good. Indicators, as you could see when I was coming out of the shop, it's our industrial estate there itself, are all working. Feels very good, tyres feel good, engine feels nice and peppy. And we'll see with the suspension here as well, with these bumps. I'll turn in left here. Too low gear there. Straight into 1st gear, or should have been in 2nd gear, the gear I was in, but that's it really. Yeah, that's the Honda C50 little runabout. I am hoping to do longer videos like usual with the rest of the bikes. We're trying to get 80 bikes up as fast as possible, so there's kind of a certain amount of just needing to get them done, but we are riding them still. You'll see all the same functionality as if I did a longer video. It's the same thing. But if you have liked the video and it has helped you on your buying decision, please do like the video. Also comment down below if I haven't answered any of the questions within the advert itself, or anything like that. If you have any more questions, just leave them down below. And finally, subscribe if you haven't already.